How to fix airplane mode not working on Monopoly Go. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your settings on your phone. Then the next step is to head over to connections. Once you get to your connection settings, what you need to do is turn on the flight mode once. And once you turn it on, you just have to leave it on for a bit and try to open up Monopoly Go and then log in. And if it's not working, then you're going to have to go ahead and turn your flight mode off. So go ahead and turn it off on your connection settings. And if you're using Wi-Fi network, try switching over data. And if you're using mobile data, try switching over Wi-Fi. But if it's still not working, then there might be some issues with the app's cache and data. So just long press on the app like this, and then you'll get the I option right besides the name. Now once you get to your app settings, scroll down a bit until you find storage. And on storage, go ahead and simply clear cache. Tap on it. You could also try to clear all of its data if you want. It will completely refresh the app. And finally, what you need to do is simply go ahead and force stop the app because it will stop all of the background activities of the app. And after this, the app should start running smoothly. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.